Puppy. They're adorable. When it turned to ice.
No. Oh, yeah. No.
Is this? No. Well, there's a baby and you don't know.
Cute, cute.
No.
Up and sit. And turn around. Good girl. Sit. Turn around this way. Good girl. Okay, up one more time. Good job, baby.
I'll be back in 20 minutes. And then she stuffed the bomb and that into her backpack. She's not an apple, Will. She's a penguin.
What?
See, we went on
Oh, I can use wrapping paper.
Do you think something's for you? It's not for you. Get back. Is this for you right here? I think she got you something. What'd she get you? No, you have to take it out of the package. I have to take it out of the package. She's waiting so patient. Well, she was. This is for you. She says, wait a minute. No, that's mine. These are my ornaments. You have this. You're spoiled. Everyone spoils you. She got tea towels. Tea towels. Okay. Thank you, babe. An ornament for Steven.
I want my toy back.
Nope, mine. Where'd you put the T-Rex ornament?
I put it on the tree.
Oh, you did? Rory already put it on the tree.
Can I wash it?
Oops. Pretty. What'd you get? You're so silly. Did Auntie T spoil you? What'd you get? Can you open it? Let's see. What'd you get? What did you get, sweetheart? Oh my gosh. Let's try it.
Are you a festive Steven?
It's a little small.
Are you festive Steven?
Feels like a vest. It does look really nice though.
Oh, she's so festive.
You ready?
Feels like a
What'd you get? Ooh, it looks like it's a game. We've never played that before. You excited? You play it on winter break? What'd you get? Oh man, you're gonna love that. She says, wait a minute. First of all, I am.
It was real cool about the putting it over her head.
You guys said you're cold.
Put the pulse part on.
Oh my gosh. Look how cute. This is no. No.
bubble wrap.
Be careful. Oh my goodness, it looks like treats. What's that?
Caramel corn.
Caramel corn. You can't have any.
What
I
is
don't have
this?
any.
Honey spoons?
Ooh.
What does that say?
Honey. Stop. You're distracted. Ooh. Coffee. Coffee.
Dip spoon.
Oh, I'm excited for these.
You're alright, Pip. What's wrong?
What? No, you can't have this. It will kill you, Dad.
Be careful. And the last.
Dog me. Not now, dog.
Oh my goodness. That sounds good. You cannot have that. No, you cannot have that.
I hate this. I hate it. I hate it.
I'm gonna have it. You cannot have it. Mm-mm. What do you think, Steve? What do you think, Turkins? Yeah, I think. Pretty girl. Where you going? Gonna lay down? Yeah? I think. You're actually warm? Yeah, you're actually warm. You the only one that likes sweaters on the kitty? That's just not how it was.
His green escaped to here and he took.
Merry Yuletide and season's greetings. Holiday shopping is in full swing, and what better way to find those perfect one-of-a-kind gifts than to support your local makers and small businesses such as Simply Serving on Etsy.com. Simply Serving is a woman-run, handmade business that offers a wide range of handmade products, from stitch markers and progress keepers to jewelry and Christmas ornaments. Handmade in the central United States, Simply Serving can guarantee a personalized experience for artists, lovers of the arts, and everyone else on the nice list this year. Using crafting supplies such as economically sourced wood, polymer clay, and US printed paintings, Simply Serving is sure to have the perfect gift and stocking stuffers. So head on over to simplyserving.etsy.com and see how you can support artists who make their living with their own two hands. Simply Serving. Notions and accessories, handmade just for you. Ho, ho, ho.